The new algorithm research from Richard van der Blom just launched. You can read it and adapt it in your own LinkedIn post, but you can also integrate it in ChatGPT. Here's how you can do that. Hey there, my name is Jesse and I'm sharing lessons about marketing, sales, go-to-market and social media, but also things I'm still trying to figure out. My goal is to share insights, actionable insights, things that work really well and things that didn't work at all. You should really see me as your peer. I'm not really some know-it-all guru, and I'm for sure not an expert in all the things that I'm talking about. So let's dive in. Richard just launched his algorithm research for 2025, and I've been following this for the last couple of years, and usually I study it completely, and I look at the ratios, I look at the percentages on how I can make my content better, how I can make my profile better, what kind of media work better in my post, for example, and how I'm going to get the most impact on LinkedIn based on that report. But recently what I discovered is, since it's kind of a database of information, you could also build a custom GPT around it. So when you show your posts to the custom GPT, Richard is going to, or the algorithm report, is going to grade your post based on his own ratios. So ChatGPT is not going to scrape the net based on all that he knows, based on all that the large language model knows. No, the knowledge is purely based on the report, on the latest insight from the report, on only that research. So if you want to try that, it's down below and I've included the link. You can open the link right away and throw your post in there and see what it scores. Good luck there. Thank you for watching this video. It was a very short one, but I just wanted to shoot it out right away since the report just came out. If you have questions about this, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other new topics I should discuss in the future, let me know, and see you next time.